Most people think their story is too ordinary to matter. But here's the truth: the stories you think are boring may actually be the ones your family or your future customers will treasure the most. And in a minute, I will share a story from my own life that almost never got told, and how that moment changed the way I see everything. But here's the problem: too many of us downplay our own stories. We say things like, I'm not famous, I don't have anything important to share, no one would really care. And so we keep our stories locked away. But every time we do that, we lose little pieces of wisdom, of connection, and legacy. And eventually, they're gone forever. Think about how many times you have wished you could hear a grandparent's voice just one more time, or see the way they told a story in their own words. The sad truth is, once it's gone, it's gone. So here's what I learned: stories aren't about being perfect or impressive, they're about connection. One of the most powerful stories in my own life almost never got told. It was the night before my wedding. There was horrible storms out in the western part of the state where I lived. There was killer tornadoes happening that day, and I was having an outdoor wedding the next day. Oh my gosh, what were we going to do? We had no backup plans because a few months before, my parents' home had burnt down. So we didn't have their house to rely on. The only thing we had was maybe a machine shed or something to put the 50 or so guests underneath if we had a stormy day. But you know what happened? We woke up the next day and the sun was shining brightly. And we said, I do. And that was 40 years ago. So, as you can tell, at that time, the story felt like chaos. But now, that story is one of the things my family and I look back with so much laughter, so much love, and so much meaning. And here's the wild thing: the little stories, the messy ones, the ones that we think nobody cares about, they're often the ones people remember most. In a few weeks, I'm going to show you exactly how to start capturing those moments on video. But for now, I want you to sit with this. Your story matters, whether you believe it or not. So I want you to take your mind there, take a deep breath, and imagine this. One day, somebody you love stumbles across a video of you sharing your story. They hear your voice, they see your face, they feel your laughter. Do you think they'll care if you weren't perfect on camera? No, they'll care about you. Or if you're a business owner, imagine a customer watching your story and they're saying after they watch the video, that's a person I want to work with. These stories build bridges between families, between generations, and even businesses and clients. Your story is not ordinary, it's extraordinary because it's yours. This is just the beginning. If you're ready to discover how to capture your story so people will never forget you, go ahead and subscribe. Join me here each week, and in the next video, I'll show you 3 simple ways that you can start recording your story now with just your phone. Don't miss it.